Find the cube root of 729. First, find prime factors of 729. Divide by 3 gives 2. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Again divide by 3. 8 3s are 24. And again divide by 3. This is 27. Gives 9. So these are the prime factors of 729. Now group identical factors in sets of 3. From the first set, it's a set of 3. So 3 times again set of 3, which is 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. So the cube root of 729 is 9. Next, the 2 square root of 225. We know the square root of 225 is 15. So 15 multiplied by 15 gives 225. Similarly, minus 15 times minus 15 also gives 225. Minus times minus is plus. So 15 and minus 15. Next, common multiples of 6 and 9. Divide 6 and 9 by 3. We get 2 and 3. So write 3 times 2 times 3, which is 18. So the answer is 18 or any multiples of 18. Next, minus 4 the whole square. Minus 4 times minus 4 gives 16. Minus times minus is plus. So 16.